So as many of you guys know, for the last 10 years, I've been working on a review of the Samsung Galaxy S8. It hasn't been 10 years, but it feels like it. I'm working on it. I'm still doing my testing. Full review is coming out pretty soon, but I thought in the meantime, I would give you guys a quick sound test. Slash video test. The main focus is on sound. The video you're about to watch is raw, has not been edited in any way. It's straight from the Samsung Galaxy S8, and to your eyes and ears, it is a gentleman playing a saxophone in a tunnel. And I think it's a great example of the sound quality of the Samsung Galaxy S8, which I'm impressed with. You tell me what you think. Take a look. This is Carlisle's Picks, and that was a sound test from the new Samsung Galaxy S8. And I think most of you guys will be pretty impressed with that. Remember, this is coming from a cell phone. You know, it's an amazing time that we're living in right now. The capabilities of these devices that we hold in our pockets. I mean, you can pretty much do a film with your cell phone. You can run a full YouTube channel. I mean, you can really, I mean, obviously a cell phone can't do everything that a high-end video camera can do or DSLR can do, but wow, for what it is capable of doing, it's a lot. And for many people, it can be more than what you need, especially if you use it properly, right? You have a lot of technology. You have portable stabilizers you can get tripods for it, all kinds of mounts, and take a little time and learn and perfect your craft in terms of learning film techniques. And I'm telling you, nobody's gonna know that you're using a cell phone camera if you do it right. Like, for example, some of this video is not gonna look so good because the sun's very harsh in my face, but you know what, if I wanted to really avoid that, then I would choose my location. Like, for example, this is much better light on me, but the background is washed out. So what I would do is I would choose a better background, right? So you've got to be smart. Don't make too much of a big deal about that, because it's not that it's difficult. It's just, it's not a full camera, right? So there are going to be some limitations. So if you really want to push this device to the max, then you're really going to want to spend the time to perfect your craft. But the reality is, even if you had a regular camera, DSLR, you still need to do that, right? You don't just get a fancy camera and then all of a sudden, woo, everything's perfect, right? But I think in capable hands, you know, you can really do a lot on a Samsung Galaxy S8. It is very powerful. It is amazing screen, amazing battery life. But if you want to know more, you're gonna have to stay tuned for the full review. So click on the like button, subscribe, and this is Carlisle's Picks. See you guys soon. This is a review on the Samsung Galaxy S8. Yeah!